In this tutorial, we will explain how to deactivate the OLED screen of your Zappiti reference or signature. To do this, go to Setup. Then go to Miscellaneous. Then go to Display. In this menu, you will find an option to display the clock, with or without the seconds. Then above you will find the custom display options for the OLED screen. To turn off the OLED screen during video playback, choose the Nothing option located at the bottom of the list. You can do the same for audio playback. To turn off the OLED screen when playing audio, choose the Nothing option located at the bottom of the list. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to click the like button.